go, bitch. Oh, but I ain't did this in a while, yo. Now I can do it safely. But the wheel don't pull no more, bro. This shit going straight, man. Oh, yes, sir, bitch. I get to go. Yes, sir, bitch. I ain't gonna push it too hard, bitch, because that's why I crashed that last time. So I ain't even gonna talk about that. I ain't even gonna do that. Nah, but I crashed in the Mustang right here. Not finna push it right here no more. Learn my lesson. Get that shit in the pad. But look, but the wheel stay straight now, but the wheel stay straight, but it's crooked right now because I'm going to turn. That bitch stay straight, but this shit don't lean, that shit don't pull nowhere, man. I'm straight, but I'm sick. Oh God. But just wait till I hit the freeway, bitch. You know what? I'm gonna skip all it. Nah, I ain't gonna skip. I'm gonna keep that shit in there. The more content, the more time y'all watch, but the more I get paid. Damn. Don't hate on me for that shit, bro. I'm trying to make a living out of this shit. Come on now. I just hope it don't rain, but that's gonna fuck up my whole mood. Well, y'all let me know how the GoPro footage is too. Look at my way, fam. Slow my black ass down. Slow my black ass down. I'm weak here, but if you hit that nigga car, let me stop. I ain't just nobody car, bro. Your car, you feel me? I don't hate on no bills. Too heavy, famo. I can't wait by the freeway right there, fam. Freeway right there, but and I got the 5%. Y'all can't see me do shit, but I can see all y'all. I cannot record at night though. That crazy. I can't get no more night POVs because you can't see nothing. Come on, bro. Y'all going too damn slow, bro. I'm trying to get active anymore. I don't know, just cruising. What the fuck? I'm getting tired of getting stopped by all these red lights too. My fault, fam. I was supposed to press record earlier than that. Look at hit dumb ass. See, how the fuck would you try to turn? He even can't drive, but this shit be making me fucking mad, bro. I'm trying my hardest not to cuss, but it be these dumb asses like this, bro. I know y'all saw that shit, bro. I ain't even finna ask. I know y'all saw it. These folks be doing the dumbest shit. I'm the one driving with one hand and the camera in my hand. Y'all still can't drive, bro. It makes no fucking sense. And it better not be no traffic today. Come on, nigga. Come on, man. Excuse my French. Y'all comment down below and let me know if the wind too bad. Like I said, bro. I'm recording on the new GoPro. So y'all let me know in the comments. Lower my windows up, bro. Ain't no way the window. I know that wind bad. And y'all can still hear that shit, bro. Straight pipe, so it don't matter. Y'all can still hear that shit. Yeah, nah, but today is a damn avalanche weaving through traffic. What the hell? Nigga using the avalanche. Slow your fucking road. Ooh, this shit getting bumpy as hell. But I just got me a new line, man. I'm straight. Man, why would you pull out in front of me? That's why I let out the gas. Even though you was a little while away. y'all let me know if this GoPro footage is better than the iPhone, bro. Just watch the recent video. It'll tell you. It'll show you what that shit like. Y'all gotta tell me how the sound is too. Comment down below. Oh yeah, I bet he running too. By the way, GTA 6 VR edition. I'm the only one that got it. So yeah, this what this is. Don't take me to jail because you can't. I'm playing a video game. Nigga, don't do it. You did it anyway, you ugly motherfucker. Let me stop, bro. I'm sorry with the language, bro. I'm sorry, I apologize. Your weaving ass, you weaving hard as hell for no reason, nigga. You in the Ultima, but chill your ass down, bitch. Hell no, that ain't no damn Ultima, that's a damn Avalanche. Slow your roll, bitch, dog. Slow your fucking roll. Language, bro, I'm still cussing, bro. I'm trying to get paid off YouTube, man. Hey, it's not gonna allow me. Hell no, I cuss too much. But you weaving hard as fuck, but they finna get you finna crash that bitch, famo. Nissan and fucking Toyota Avalanche, bro. Y'all do too much. Y'all do entirely too much. I'm not gonna weave with y'all, but it look like I am, but I'm trying not to. I'm trying to get away from y'all. Look at his ass, nigga. Why you flying so fast, bro? It's a van in front of you, bitch. Slow your roll. That's not gonna be the name of this video. But stop weaving, boy. It's too close, famo. Oh. Somebody gonna get mad. I already know it. Somebody gonna get mad. They gonna get my tag and try to send me to jail. I ain't going to jail though, cause it's a video game. Bitch. Camaro, get your ass back, famo. I don't know you. Get your ass back. But we not finna push you through traffic, but you was in the V6. Your suspension can't take that shit, but I'm not finna do it with you, bro. Damn, bro. I'm not traffic now. I gotta go. I can't be riding around slow on the freeway. Not when I'm recording. Uh-oh. That might go. That might go. That might go. That might go. But do not try this shit at home, bro. This is a video game. If you playing the video game, you can do this shit. But do not do this shit in real life. Cause all you kids and boys out here, don't try that. Oh shit, that's a tie. Oh shit, I almost messed up. Look at this dumbass Avalanche. Slow your roll, bitch. Alright, how many times I gotta tell you, bitch? How you keep getting in front of me like that? I could've sworn I left you like twice. What? You must be late to work. You gotta be late to work. Or somebody must be prick. Gotta be. Cause there ain't no way you just driving like this just cause. Oh, he must be making a PLV too. He finna crash that hoe. He driving too reckless. Well, y'all already know, but I gotta do it. I need to get these folks' reaction, how I'm weaving through, not weaving through traffic. Everybody out here got tents, so you can't really see nobody. And I was really riding fishbowl for the longest. But what the fuck is you in? Why you pushing that bitch to the Slayer Road? No 10 having that. I don't weave. No 10 having that on weed. Let me start talking about folks, bro. I ain't perfect myself. Look at his ass. He said, hit that hoe. He said, hit that hoe. I had to hit it. Yeah, nah, boy. Tell me why I had a nigga come up to me. I ain't even gonna say it. I'm not finna embarrass my fans like that, bro. Damn, that shit make me sound cocky as hell. Oh God, bro. Nigga pulled up talking about he knew me, bro. Like I said, bro, I'm not finna embarrass nobody like that. So I ain't even gonna say it. I'm done. That's it. I ain't gonna say though, if you know me, bro. I mean, not if you know me, but if you see me and you see where I work at, bro, do not pull up to my job, bro. Do not do that shit, bro. I'm talking about niggas be ready to shoot, bro. Let me stop my language, bro. But basically, everybody up there, this is a family-owned business. So when somebody come up there like that, somebody, yeah, because we don't trust nobody like that. You never know. Like, ain't shit planned to happen, bro. Somebody could pull in and like try to rob your shit, or just come through and try to steal your car. You feel me? So just stay where you at. Don't even, you can hit me up on my social media. You know, I post that shit at the end of the video. You can hit me up on there, but do not cut my job, bro. Like I said, family-owned shit, and we do not take lightly to that random ass shit, bro. You talking about like asking for me? Do not ask for me, bro. Cause hell nah, I don't trust none of that shit. You never know, bro. Ain't none of that shit scheduled. You never know when you're gonna get robbed. Just know it coming. You feel me? And be prepared. And I guess the light turned. Anyway, bro. On that note, bro. Y'all, this is the end of the video. You already know what's going on. Not old nation, bro. Y'all get at him, bro. He gonna be big when they stop playing with him, bro. He already coming up, bro. He creeping up on y'all niggas, bro. Stop playing with him. Go ahead, like, share, subscribe, bro. Comment, bro. Leave comment, thumbs up. You already know, bro. Go crazy with it. Cause he gonna be big one day. You don't wanna, you know, be the one that didn't support when he big. Cause when he big, bro, he gonna give. Oh God. But hey, that I ain't even get too much into that, but y'all gonna see later on in the future when I actually got it like that. Anyway, bro, y'all enjoy y'all day, enjoy yourself, and